Hi, this is Study with Mo. Today we'll be doing Cambridge O-Level Mathematics course book by Dean Chambers and Ahmed Saya. We will be doing exercise 7.3 vector. 1. Find the magnitude of each of the following vectors. Use the correct notation and give non-exact answers in the simplest surf form. Okay, so we have 1A, AZ. Always remember to use this particular sign. Okay, AZ 4, 3. So 4 is basically our horizontal component and 3 is the vertical component. They asked us to find the magnitude. So how can we find the magnitude? Magnitude can also be referred as modulus. Okay, so modulus of a vector. How can we find a modulus of a vector? The modulus of a vector A, let me make it bold, A is written as A. So this is basically the magnitude sign. Okay, and represents the length or magnitude of the vector. So how can we find this particular thing? In general, if x is equals to mn, this is the column vector, like m is the horizontal component and n is the vertical component, we can find it like this. X is equals to m square plus n square. So this is our formula. Now what can we do here? Root over 4 square plus 3 square, right? 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9. Let me give a root over. 16 plus 9 is 25. So root over 25, root over 25 is 5. So AZ modulus is 5. So this is the answer. We're done. Here it is. Now let's do number B. One B to be specific. So in 1B we have BZ column vector -6 and 8. BZ, we always have to give the sign -6 and 8. Okay, so how do we find out the magnitude or modulus? We give a root over -6 square plus 8 square. You can give the sign if you want, or if you don't want, just don't give. So -6 is basically 36 and 8 square, 6 6 are 36, 8 square is 64. So root over 36 plus 64. Root over 36 plus 64, 4 plus 6, 0, 1, 7, 7 plus 3 is 10. Root over 100, root over 100 is 10. So the modulus of BZ, oh God, what did I do? The modulus of BZ is 10. In 1C, we have CZ column vector 12 and -5. So So how can we find the modulus? Is equals to, first of all, root over 12 square plus negative 5 square. 12 square is 144 plus negative 5 square is 25, positive 25, root over 144 plus 25 is 169, root over 169, which is 13. So the modulus or magnitude for CZ is 13. This is the answer for 1C. Now let's do 1D. So we are done with this threesome. 1D, DZ, column vector, negative 24, negative 18. So DZ modulus is equals to root over negative 24 square plus negative 18 square. Let's calculate. This is going to be 900, and root over 900 is 30. We're even done with 1D. Now we have 1E. Okay, so what's there in 1E? EZ vector, positive 1 and negative minus 1. Positive 1 and negative minus 1. Okay, so EZ magnitude or modulus, whatever you call it, 1 square plus negative 1 square is equals to 1 square is 1, negative 1 square is also 1, root over 2 is root over 2. You cannot help it. So this is the answer. 1E is done. 1F. What's there in 1F? FZ, negative 2 and 5. FZ vector, negative 2 and 5. Always remember negative 2. The upper part is the horizontal component and the lower part is the vertical component. I will explain you in next video. So FZ modulus is equals to negative 2 square plus 5 square is equals to 4 plus 5 root over 9 is 3. Here you go. This is the answer. Let's take the number F. Let's do number G. So GZ, 1G. This is 1G, right? GZ, 7 and negative 4. GZ, 7 and negative 4. Okay, so GZ is equals to 7 square plus negative 4 square root over 49 plus 16. Okay, so 9 plus 6 is 5 and 1, so this is 65. Root 65. This is going to be the answer. So after 1G, we have 1H. Oh, okay. I take the G. 3 and 3. H, Z, 3 and 3. No negative 3, right? Let me check again if I'm missing it. Okay. So the modulus for HZ is equals to 3 square plus 3 square, 9 plus 9, root over 18. What can we write? 9 into 2. So root over 9 into root over 2. Sorry, I'm doing it manually. It's 3 root 2. That's it. This is the answer for 1H. Now 1I. Let me see what's there in 1I. IZ 2 root 3. Okay. IZ, 2 root 3, not 2 and 3, right? It was 2 and 3. Oh no, root 3. I thought I got carried away with all the modulus roots. So modulus IZ is equals to root over 2 square plus root over 3 square, okay, equals to 4 plus, we know root over 3. What's root over 3? Root over, we know, let me tell you, when we have 2 root 3 being multiplied, it's just 3. Okay, so 3. So the answer is 4 plus 3 is 7, so the answer is 7. And this is the answer for 1I. Now we have 1J. Negative root 5, 3 root 2, JZ. JZ vector negative, sorry, I forgot the amount. Negative root 5, negative root 5, 3 root 2. So this is the column vector. Now JZ magnitude or modulus root over negative root 5 square plus 3 root 2 square is equals to, so again if we do something, negative root 5 multiply negative root 5, negative negative goes away and root 5 becomes only 5. Let me erase this, otherwise you might be confused. Anyways, so this is 5 plus, again 3 is 9 and root 2 square is just 2. Okay, so 5 plus 18, which is root 23, and this is the answer. I think we are done with all the 7.3 number 1 A to J. We will be doing number 2 in next video.